Are you completely sick of me talking about niches that are too full? We go to Earth Day, 69,000 results. Paris, 158,000 results. Funny, 9.2 million results. I am not going to tell you in this video to abandon all hope and go after little wimpy tiny niches. That is a strategy, and it does work, and it works really well. But in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can take advantage of popular search results, and you can get in there and fight for your right to get a sale in this video. Let's jump in. The first tip is to have the best possible graphic designs in your print-on-demand products. If you look at Paris, for example, 158,000 results, the first page have really, really nice graphic designs attached to these print-on-demand products. If you go to newer designs, so I'm going to scroll through Paris, but I'm going to trend, instead of trending and instead of most relevant, I'm going to newest, you're going to see a really wide range of some good designs and some really crappy designs. And yes, you're always going to see trademarked garbage on Redbubble, but I'm just going to use this as an example. And I'm not trying to, make fun of anybody's designs, but here's an example where it says Love Paris and there's a guy on here, and it's like, if you're not a fan of that guy, you're probably not going to buy the design. Here's a general view of the Eiffel Tower, and it's hand-drawn. This looks really nice. This will probably move up over time. Like, you see a lot of designs that aren't necessarily Paris related. Here's one with just some nails, and it's like, well, I don't know if Paris or Wimbledon sign, I don't really know that that's really going to get a sale based on Paris being the keyword search. So I would highly recommend that when you're searching through popular niches, take a look at the actual top trending results on here and take a look at the graphic design skills. If you can match these, then stick your hat in the ring and see if you can make some sales in these highly competitive niches, because the best designs win out long term. For the second tip, I'm going to stay actually with the Paris keyword, 158,000 results, and I'm going to open up this first result, Paris boarding pass sticker. And when we looked at this sticker design and we scroll down, the second tip is make sure that you're tagging things correctly. And what I mean by tagging things correctly is both quality and quantity. So how many sticker tags, how many tags here does this person have? They've got about 20 or 25, and then there's all product tags down here. Now, Redbubble adds those. A lot of people are lazy when it comes to tags, and they'll copy over the design and they'll just keep all the old tags in there. So for example, Ireland flight sticker, that's not a good tag. My point being, yes, the niche is crowded. Yes, there's 158,000 results in Paris. But when you scroll down past like the fourth or fifth page, you're going to start seeing a severe decline in the quality and the tagging of these designs. You're not getting a ton of Eiffel Towers anymore. You're not getting a ton of tourism posters. You're getting like some weird stuff. This isn't just thousands and thousands of like Metro Paris posters or Eiffel Tower posters. There's a whole range of things. So what you want to do is when you're doing keywords, you want to make sure that your keywords really actually represent what the product is. Notice here at the bottom, it says similar designs, and it's got them by the same artist. So the more you upload and the more tags you do, the more you have a chance of being in Redbubble promoting your work somewhere on the page. I want to point out something else in regards to tagging. Here I've searched for Paris. This design comes up. It's by Hilda74. It's the second highest design when you search for the word Paris. When I look for Eiffel Tower, as I scroll on down, I can see number 12 in the result is the same design. So my point is, as you make sales, it will trend up in all of the keywords long term. So in Eiffel Tower, there's 30,000 results, and this person has got a design sitting near the top. Here in Paris, it's 158,000. They're right near the top. When you make sales, it lifts your design up through all of the different tags. Now look, I don't work for Redbubble. I can't prove that this is the case, but I've seen this time and time again where we've got designs that sell and they're at the top of multiple search results. I'm just going to open up this one really quickly. Here's the actual sticker. And when we go on down here, we've got Paris stickers, France stickers. Well, I'm going to pop open France stickers. Okay, that's a different keyword. And look at that. It's the third one at the top. These move up over time because the designs themselves warrant sales regardless of the keyword. The keyword works in tandem with a great looking design. This is a total bonus tip. This has nothing to do with the video, but if you're searching for your own designs in Redbubble just to see where they rank, Redbubble will often have suggested for you, and I would highly recommend that you scroll through these, because look at this. Hilda 74 has a decal and it's been completely ripped off. It's been stolen by these two other people. Or one of these two is the original artist and this person ripped it off. I'm not sure which one is the original owner, but my point is one of them is the original owner and one of them has stolen. So if you're the original designer, make sure that when you see this suggested for you pop up, the algorithm's trying to match up similar designs, and these are the exact same. I do want to point out, you don't have to have a boatload of tags in order to start trending up and eventually get to the top of the search results. It certainly helps, but it's not absolutely necessary. Take a look at this third result, gray Eiffel Tower sticker, and when I go to the actual design, this is the third trending highest result under Paris. They've only got 7 and they still trended really high. And so the reason is this is a good looking design. It's simple, it's elegant, and for whatever reason, it's now trended up to the top of the first page. So I would recommend that when you're looking at highly competitive niches, open up individual designs and see what actual keywords they're using, and then open these up. I'm just right-clicking and opening them up in a new tab, and I can see how competitive these are. If you find a low competition keyword, make sure to absolutely include that. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. This is part inspiration and this is part technical aptitude on how I actually do this. I am in high competitive niches and I do make sales. Now, I think it's because my designs are superior, but I also think it's because I've got decent tagging skills as well. So hopefully this video helped illuminate a little of both. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, I welcome your questions down below. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand journey. Thanks a lot for watching.